Test for reducing agent. Test for reducing agent. We will take two tests today for reducing agent. One is action on acidified potassium tetraozomanganate 7 and the action on acidified potassium heptaozodichromate 6. These two we use it to test for the presence of reducing agent. The first one, which is a potassium tetraozomanganate 7, is purple in color. Is purple in color. Is purple in color. So we are going to see the color of that potassium tetraozomanganate 7, and once it changes to colorless, as you can see, potassium tetraozomanganate 7 is purple in color, and once it changes to colorless, we suspect the presence of a reducing agent. We suspect the presence of a reducing agent. Even though this one is not pure purple, this one is slightly pink in color, but we'll use it as a reference. Once it changes to colorless, we know that there is presence of a reducing agent. As you can see, it has changed to colorless, or what you can refer to as white. So which means there is presence of reducing agent. Remember, potassium tetraozomanganate 7 is purple in color, and once it changes to colorless, we know that there is presence of a reducing agent. Again, the second one, potassium heptaozodichromate 6, is orange in color. Is orange in color. Once it changes to green, we know that there is presence of a reducing agent. It's orange. Once it changes to green, we know that there is presence of a reducing agent. Let me see. As you can see, it's orange in color. It's orange in color. It's orange in color. Let's add. If it changes to green, we know that there is presence of a reducing agent. Check. Check the original color, orange. And now check the color, now it has changed to green. So there is presence of a reducing agent. So these are the reagents we use to test for the presence of oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. A little reaction kinetics, a little of the reaction. Potassium tetraozomanganate 7 is purple, and once it changes to colorless, we know that it's presence of a reducing agent. This one is orange in color, and once it changes to green, if you monitor the reaction scheme, now you know that potassium here, the oxidation number of potassium there is +7. The oxidation number of potassium manganese here is +7, and it changes to +2 here. Remember, it is a decrease. From +7 to +2 is a decrease. It's a decrease. So which means electron has been what? Accepted. If you just relate what I said in the previous video, you understand this. And this one now here is +6 and it changes to +3. It's a decrease. So there is an electron gain in that process. So that is the reagent for testing for oxidizing and the reducing agents.